Nasubukan nga itong grilled liempo with rice. 99 lang naman. Wala, Gotong Batangas. Isa naman, Ben to go. Isang macchiatos. Cheesy hotdog. Sandwich, Gordon, crispy pata. Itlog, iba pa. J&J special pizza. May pizza pala rito. The original Okoy King, ba? Ito naman, Korean crave, ramyun cravings. Okay, dosena piece. Takoyaki station. Takoyaki station. Beauty Queen. O, yun, may restroom pala dito. Milk tea, coffee, and snack. Sarado to. Silog and Sizzling House ni Anis. Sarado. Ito naman si Frozen Yogurt Ice Cream and Snack House. Kale Brews. May tiyanggi pa sila dito sa harap. Nasarapan po tayo ng high school. Ayun yung aking service. Alright. Lonely table just for one.